Hey, what's up, guys? This is Andy. I wanted to give you a quick update on Andy Bird Builds. You may have noticed I have not been in the shop the last week. That's because my wife and I have been in Florida at my parents' house, kind of on a little retreat, kind of resetting on some things and enjoying some time to ourselves. The part that you guys probably will care about, or might care about, I hope you care about, is as of June 12th, I quit my Cush government job to pursue Andy Bird Builds full time, which we're really excited about. Yay, spirit fingers. So I want to take some time too to kind of define what Andy Bird Builds is about. I've never really done that. It kind of came out of bad job stuff, and but really what I found is that I love sharing and I love inspiring other people and seeing other people being like, hey, I did that because you did that, and that's really cool. So that's what Andy Bird Builds is about, inspiring and encouraging people to take the next step in whatever they may be building and whatever level they may be. So what does that mean going forward? One, we'll be able to spend more time on YouTube. That's been a giant learning experience for me personally in the past 6 months. So I'm really looking forward to putting my best foot forward there. Also, just more content in general. And I'm so excited that there's so many of you other that want to follow my journey, and I'm truly am thankful for that. If you're still watching to this point, maybe you're excited this excites you too, or maybe you care about me, which thank you. I'm blessed for that. There's 3 things that you can do to support me. One is you can just get involved on the content, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Instagram, whether it's Facebook, and just make sure you like those and comment on those, and we can really start a discussion and really kind of build a community here. The second thing that you can do is tell somebody. It's pretty simple, but tell someone that maybe they like to build stuff, or maybe it's a young person that they would love to do it. And the third way is I have a Patreon set up, which Patreon is a secure website that you can give through to makers like me. That is another way that you can give if you feel led to support me. Most of all, thank you guys for your support. Without my family, friends, this wouldn't be possible, and I truly am thankful for that. If just one person does something and feels empowered to do something that they didn't think that they could do before, then this is a success. So thanks for watching, thanks for the support, and I'll catch you on the next thing I'm building.
Action. Action.
What's going on with Andy Bird Builds? You may have noticed